Alright, I'm gonna take a little fast because they're starting their way out here.
We got wee little Jacob in the back.
I'm not going too fast for you, am I? Over there? I'm not going too fast for you, am I? Just going. I like the wind in my head. Say again? I like the wind in my head. Oh, does it feel good? Tell them it's troop transport. Tell them to get their asses in. Start making room for them.
Wait, did somebody just touch the radio?
Fuck off.
He's had his own radio for a while now.
Who said civvies get radios?
Are you gonna gun it?
No.
No.
Is everyone ready back there?
Did you buy that from Josh?
Is everyone ready back there?
What?
Is everyone ready back there?
Is Jake holding on to it?
Yeah.
No. Motherfucker.
Thank you.
It wasn't me. God damn it, whoever's hitting the fucking ring button, I'm gonna kill. Is everyone okay back there? Do you copy?
I think he's holding on to the button.
Are you hitting the full... Hey! Are you hitting the fucking talk button?
What?
Are you hitting the talk button?
I think he was holding on to the talk button.
Oh.
Dude. You motherfucker.
Jesus Christ!
What?
It sounds like you're hitting the fucking talk button.
I know.
I know. Fucking retard.
Stop hitting the fucking talk button!
Yeah, you fuck. Ah, you fucked the camera. Oh, shit. Oh, God, I'm seeing...
Hey, can anyone see if I'm gonna hit the stool or the backpack? Look for the stool or the backpack. I don't want to run it over.
Stool or backpack? Watch to see if it'll fucking... You fucking moved it. The fuck?
Thanks, Jimmy.
Thank you, Jimmy. All of a sudden you hear cracking and it's a fucking gun that you just ran over. That fucking sucks.